Okay students, in second part we discuss about the energy, means what is the energy, different types of energy and different forms of energy. Okay, so firstly, what is the energy? Energy is the capability or a capacity to doing any work. Okay, so now a one word arises, that work, means what is a work? When we apply the force on any object, it displaces with some distance. Okay, then it's said to be a work done. Here we can take one example. As you seen in this picture, the boy is seen in the adjacent picture has moved the move from one point to another. He is said to have done work here. Means a boy move a book from one place to another place, means it changes the position of a book from one place to another place, means it displaces it with some distance, then it's said to be doing a work. Okay, now energy, the capability or ability of body to do work is said to be energy. अब जो हम वर्क करते हैं, ठीक है, उस वर्क करने के लिए हमारी जो कैपेबिलिटी है या फिर जो हमारी एबिलिटी है, हम वो वर्क कर सकते हैं, हम वो काम कर सकते हैं, तो उस काम को करने के लिए हमारी बॉडी को क्या चाहिए? एनर्जी. ओके, now energy is present in different forms as we discuss in this chapter. Here you can see on a dramatically. Firstly, energy types, the three types of energies. First one is potential energy, kinetic energy and chemical energy. Next one, different forms of energy. So different forms of energy, here we will discuss about sound energy, thermal energy or heat energy, electromagnetic, light energy, wind energy, electrical energy and electrochemical energy. So firstly, what is the potential energy? So with example, if a ball is just kept on the ground of a basketball court, or water is just kept or stored in a dam or an overhead tank, they all are in a stationary position, means they cannot move from its original position, because means they cannot move from one place to another place, they are in a stationary position. Even then they possesses some energy, means when they are in a stationary position, they possesses some energy inside them. Okay, so that energy is known as that stored energy inside them is known as a potential energy. Next one is kinetic energy. When a body is in a motion, potential energy is related with the stationary condition. Okay, means a stationary position, but a kinetic energy is opposite to the potential energy, it related with the motion, means when a body changes its position from one place to another place, it possesses some energy that is known as a kinetic energy. Okay, for example, when a car moves, it possesses kinetic energy by its movement, because it travels from one place to another place. Next one is force applied on a stationary basketball also makes it move. The ball has kinetic energy because of being in motion, means when we playing with the basketball, it possesses a kinetic energy, but when we kept a basketball in a stationary position, it possesses a potential energy. Okay, so that is the main difference between potential and a kinetic energy. Next one is chemical energy. So chemical energy, we eat food to get energy for work and play. Food particles have chemical energy stored in them, means mainly we get energy from food. Okay, when we eat a food particles, it provides some chemical energy that stored in them. Okay, and that chemical energy is a particular form of potential energy because it's stored inside our body. So chemical energy of the food helps muscles to apply force to do work. Means जो chemical energy है वो हमारी muscles को क्या provide कर रही है, हमारी मसल्स को वो फोर्स प्रोवाइड कर रही है काम करने के लिए, ठीक है, कुछ ना कुछ काम करने के लिए हमारी बॉडी को फोर्स प्रोवाइड कर रही है, हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी प्रोवाइड कर रही है, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द गर्ल रन्स ड्यू टू kinetic energy. Here a girl's run means a motion is created, so that is known as a means here it possesses, she possesses a kinetic energy while running, but when eating a food she is in rest position, so it possesses a potential energy. Next one is thermal energy. So these now I started different forms of energy. Different types of energies are potential energy, kinetic energy and chemical energy, whereas different forms of energies are thermal energy. So I started from a thermal energy. All the above are said to release thermal or heat energy. Means here are some examples, for example shining sun, burning fuel, boiling water. Mainly a heat is related with the temperature, okay. The sun is considered as a natural source of heat and light on the earth. The heat energy is used for cooking or many household works, okay. Inside the kitchen we use burning fuels, coals, petrols to burn or to cook, okay. Mainly in a heat energy or a thermal energy we use one instrument to measure the temperature, that is known as a thermometer. Means if we want to measure the temperature of a object that is at a boiling point or a burning with the fuel, then we use a instrument known as a thermometer. Next one is electrical energy. So all of the appliances, electrical appliances run inside our houses, for example electrical fans, LCDs, heater, okay. So they all run with the help of electricity, okay. So there is another form of energy called electrical energy that makes electrical appliances to do work. Electricity carries a type of energy called electrical energy. Means all electrical appliances are run with the help of electricity. So electricity carries with us electrical energy. So electrical wires carry that type of energy which helps to run the all electrical appliances. Next one is electrochemical energy. So we all uses mobile phones, okay. And we can charge the mobile phone. So that battery that is inserted inside the mobile phones is the example of electrochemical energy, because it stores it stores electrical energy in the chemical way, okay. So a battery stores energy in a chemical way. Since electrical energy also gets involved in a battery, we can say that battery store energy called electrochemical energy. Means it is a combination of electrons plus chemicals, okay. So that is known as a electrochemical energy. Next one is light energy. So the main natural source of light energy is sun. It transmit energy as a heat energy as well as light energy, okay. So light energy we can obtain from electrical bulbs, LEDs, lamps, tube lights and candles. Next one is source sound energy. Here we can take the example of some sources which provide us some sounds, okay. Means we can listen a music with the help of a radios, television, musical instruments with the help of a mobile phones. So all the instruments that provide some sound, that known means that given a sound to us with the help of a sound energy. Next one is solar energy. Solar is also related with the sun energy. Means the energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. and that energy obtained from the sun is converted into different forms. For example, in solar power, so that solar energy further converted into a electrical energy also. Okay, it is used to provide heat, light, hot water and electricity. Next one is wind energy. As the name indicates there, that the energy that we get from a wind. Okay, so firstly, what is a wind? Moving air is known as a wind. Wind causes things to move. We all know that wind causes things to move. So windmills and turbines use wind energy to move. Nowadays people are using wind energy to produce electricity in wind farms. Means here we can convert a wind energy into electrical energy, and we can perform a various tasks with the help of wind energy. So these are the natural sources, means these are the natural energies that we get from a nature. Okay, and these are present in a very abundance. ओके, अबंडेंस मीन्स ये जो एनर्जीज होती हैं ये नेचर ने हमें प्रोवाइड की हैं. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल विंड, सोलर, लाइट एनर्जी. ओके, और ये जो एनर्जी हैं ये कभी भी ख़त्म नहीं हो सकती, इसलिए हमें इन एनर्जीज़ को ज़्यादा प्रेफर करना चाहिए एज़ कम्पेयर टू द आर्टिफिशियल एनर्जीज. ओके, so Rajesh, this is all about our chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.